Love people from the heart. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. I hope you are good. I'll be sharing with you how I made this long Maxi A-line dress with 2.5 years of silk fabric. So, guys, hey, hit the subscribe button now, like and comment. Also, turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing upload that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So, guys, I want you to keep on watching this video to the end. So, let's dive into today's tutorial. How to make an A-line long maxi dress is what we are working on today, and is 2.5 years of silk fabric I'll be using to achieve today's sewing tutorial. So I'll be folding my fabric into an A-line shape. It's not that difficult, so all you need to do is for you to spread your fabric like this, then you bend it the way you are seeing me bending it, so for us to get the A-line shape. And it's not that difficult, just that my space is very small, so I'll just have to manage it like that. So you just have to spread your fabric so as to achieve the A-line shape style that we are making today. So I'm still arranging the fabric because of my space, so I'm trying to fold it well so that I can able to get the complete length of the fabric, because it's a long dress that we are making today. Okay, so I'll just keep on folding it so as to make it look nice, so that we'll be able to get the full length of the dress that we are making today. So I want you to keep on watching this video to the end, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So I'm through with the folding, so I'll start here from the neck and mark 5 inches because of the little gathers that is going to have at the neck. So after the gathers, the actual neck line measurement, it will return to 3 inches. Okay, so I'm going to use my chalk now to give a curve from this point. So I'm going to use my roller first to give a curve. That's going to serve as the armhole line. Okay, so the armhole line is different from the one that you are used to. This particular one is called C back shape. So I'm using my hand to give the curve. Okay, and that point where that is the end of the C line shape, that's where my bust measurement is. Okay, so that's where I'll place my tape and mark 38 inches for my bust measurement, and then I'm going to add just 1 inch for the allowance. Okay, so I'm going to just use my hands now to take it down. Okay, so I will shift it so that you guys can see the complete length of the dress. Okay, because I want to measure the complete length of the dress now. It's because of my camera is not taking everything, so I'm using my hand to take it down from that line, that is the armhole point where my bust measurement is. That's where I'm taking it from. So I'm going to take it down to the end of the fabric. Okay, you can see how unique, how simple it is to make this style. This is just the measurement. There's nothing much about this style that we are making. It's very simple. So that's where I'll place my tape. I'm going to place it from the neckline. So that's where I'm going to take the full length of the dress that we are making today. So the full length of the dress is by 55 inches. So it's by 55 inches. Don't forget, the style that we are making today is called long maxi A-line dress. Okay, that's what we are making, and I'm using silk fabric to achieve this style. So at the hemline area, as you can see in the video, I'll keep on marking it round. Okay, so as to get that A-line shape at the bottom of the dress. Okay, so we are through with the measurements. There's nothing much about this style. I've told you guys, it's very simple to cut and sew. So I will start my cutting from the hemline area of the fabric. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So I'm shifting my fabric so that you guys can see the cutting, because I'll start cutting it from the neck now. And I want you to take note of this folding. Already from the folding of my fabric, I've gotten the shape of the style, which is an A-line shape. Okay, so it's from the folding that's when you are going to get the style. That is the unique thing about this particular style. So I'll go down by 2 inches to bring down the depth of my neckline. So I'll keep on cutting the fabric. And guys, if you have any question concerning this particular tutorial, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and you can also request for a video. You can drop it in the comment section also. So after this part, then we are going to cut the back part of the style that we are making, because we are cutting the front now, and this is what we are going to use to cut the back part of our fabric. So here is the back part of it. Okay, so I will just place my front fabric on the folded back fabric material. So I'll just go ahead and start cutting it. So don't forget, you have to get your folding first for you to achieve this style. So it's from your folding that's when you are going to get your inline shape. And you saw the way we folded the fabric. So when making your own, you should fold your fabric the way you saw us folding our fabric. So that's how your own should look like when making your own. So I'm still cutting because of my camera is not taking everything. I don't know what I did to my camera today. Okay, so after cutting this part, I'll head over to stitch the neck. Then I'm going to gather it a bit. Okay, so guys, I want you to keep on watching this video to the end, and if you have any question, please you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget, I'm making use of 2.5 yards of silk fabric to achieve the style that I'm making today. It's called Maxi dress. It's a long one, very beautiful. I want you to watch this video to the end for you to see how beautiful this style is, and for you to also understand how to make this video tutorial that we are making today, the style that we are making today. So we are going to head over to stitch the neckline. So I've done that already, so you can see how it is, and I've also joined the front and the back part. So after this part, my dress will be ready. I made use of 1/2 inch to sew the side. This dress is very beautiful to make, and it's for you to understand the folding and where to place your tape and to take your measurement. It doesn't take much time to make. You can see that the video tutorial is direct and detailed. I hope you are going to find it helpful to use, and also teach others to learn how to make this style. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn notification bell to get notified to see all my sewing tutorial. Thank you for watching. Let's win together. Bye bye.